So today we have an iPhone 12 Pro that came in for no service issue. So let's plug in the power and see what we get. Okay. So the phone was dropped, and after the drop, it could not receive service anymore. So basically, when you make a call, you cannot make a call, or you cannot do anything. Internet as well, so it's not connecting to the server. Keyboard. So the first thing we do is check to see if there's an IMEI number. So there's no IMEI number. Next is not much we can do because this one was dropped, so we know for sure that something wrong with the logic board. Either there's a separation between the top board and second board, or the baseband CPU was damaged as well. But the drop on this phone was not that severe, enough to break the baseband CPU, but we could be wrong as well. Hopefully that it's just the separation between the two boards that are not connecting, not the baseband CPU itself. Because if the baseband CPU is broken, that's not a repairable issue. So let's go to let's try to put it on a heater, take out the logic board and put it on a heater, and go from there, and then we can diagnose from there. Okay, let's go iPhone 12 Pro. Let's open up iPhone Pro. So iPhone 12 Pro. Let's look for the bottom board. So this is the what is the bottom board? This is the top board. Okay, here. This is the bottom board right here. So this is the baseband CPU right here. And this is the power IC for the baseband. So let's check it out. Take some measurements. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Just let's check to see if there's a short. Anywhere. This one looks all right. So we checked the CPU, baseband CPU, and the circuits. Everything seems to be connecting. We don't see an issue. Um, let's try to flash this and see if we can get the IMEI back. Where's the United States? Where is the United States? The heck? Oh, here it is. So baseband's fine. Okay, so put the board back into the housing, and let's start to test it. We put the SIM card in. So as you can see, we see the T-Mobile service.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Are you prepared to...
So basically, the phone is working now. We get service now. We can make a call. Um, so this phone was dropped, and the board got separated, and also customer were trying to update the software when the board was separated. So, and we tested. There's the IMEI number was not there anymore, and it lost service. So basically, we bought back the board and update the software, restore the software, so we get cellular back. So what happened is, when your phone got dropped and the board separated, and you try to fix it by updating the software, and then when you update the software could not read the baseband CPU. So that's why even though software update has gone through, but you cannot make a call or see the IMEI number. So basically, we bought back the board and then update the software. We were able to connect with the software with the server, and the service is back on again. So let's try to make one more call and make sure to see if it's working.
The time and temperature is coming up after this.
So calling is working normal now. Everything's good, and as you can see, we have service, T-Mobile service now. So everything's good. So that's how you fix the baseband issue on this particular phone, because it was dropped. And then we were able to rebar the board and update the software, and it worked fine. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps us a lot. And if you like our channel, please subscribe as well. See you guys on the next video. Bye for now.